All right, what's good, y'all? So today, what we're gonna do is try and figure out if there's a way that I can do, um, this fgets faster. Where's fgets? This, because this itself is taking like a millisecond, and I feel like it shouldn't. And I feel like the reason for that is because fgets is buffered. So if I use a non-buffered version of that, we should be good, theoretically. And how are we gonna test that? Oops, wait. We're gonna make this and then fgets test, right? And then we're gonna make test.c, and I think we include standard IO. Right, and then we say main void, and then we return 0. Oops. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say we have a string a string command, that is, I don't know how large this needs to be right now, but that is going to have the value of user/bin/git, and then we're going to run it in whatever directory, and then we're going to say it's slash projects, and then let's just do blib. Yeah, and then it's going to be diff short stats, right? Bam. Initialize the string is too long. How long is this? Be in this. It's 51. No shot. That's crazy. Anyway, so we have that. So now we can say, all right, file fp equals p open with command in the read mode. Right, and then we can free. We don't need the free command. Let's bring in this, but what I need to do is copy benchmarking time elapsed.c to here, and then I need to do the same for .h. All right, now we're good. Oh wait, this is time elapsed.h, right? So now we say, all right, let's go ahead and make our timer. Timer equals start timer, and then I could just copy this. But what I want to do is do our fgets. So we're gonna say this is the terminal output equals fgets output, not output. What is output? Oh, that's our buffer. Whatever, I'll just do the same thing. It doesn't really matter. I wonder if it's because the output is too long. What is the max size of a terminal line? line in Linux. I don't think there is one, but is a limit to command line length, or more exactly, the arguments. I think 1,000's fine. That's not that many characters. Right, so we have output. We have... Wait. Oh. It's up here. I was like, what? Size of output and FE. Right. So then, what I want to do is print what we got. So this is going to be output. In, and then it should do the rest of that for me. Right? I'm not missing anything, I don't think. Test.c time elapsed.c. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, maybe I wasn't supposed to use output. I don't need this either. Let me also... Alright, we going. Let's see if I can stream while I do this too. Alright. So, what do we have? I think that's it. Oops. Oh no. I use file output though. Oh no, I actually do use output. Okay. Okay, that's what I thought, but why is it? Let me just run the command. User /bin/get C projects dlib diff short stat. That didn't give me anything actually. Why? Did I need to expand this? /home/b. No. What? Get diff. Get diff. Why don't I have any? Oh, it's untracked. Okay. That'll do it. Well, at least I know that works. Alright. So let's pick something else. Like, get stats. I think I changed something. Yeah. Oh, I'm not. Init. Projects. Get stats. Oh, wait, not get stats. Here. Tests. Right, so GCC test time elapsed .c. Wait, I want all the warnings though. Which I fucked something up here. What did I do wrong? Oh, is it because I didn't do this? Home / No. I think I typed something wrong. What part was wrong of this though? Oh. Is it because I passed? How long is this? This is 62. 60. Oh, it should just be 2. Alright. And that took how long? I'm going to be lazy and not do the math. Nanoseconds to milliseconds. That definitely is too slow. But why is it so slow? Is my thing. Okay, so now, well, that was that whole thing. How slow is? So it was. Wait, let me keep that up. So this nanoseconds to milliseconds. Because now the question is, let's exclude the printing. Okay. It's so much worse. It's very variable. Okay, that's fine. That's to be expected, but it's variably slow. Like, it's never quick. So let's move this up to here. This, I tested this process before, but let me double check it. Yeah, this takes no time. Well, it takes time, but this shouldn't be the thing that's slowing me down, but I think it is. Yeah, that in and of itself took 4 milliseconds. So, if we do the unlocked version. Oh yeah, right. Why can't I fget's unlocked? Yeah, this. Oops. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Unlocked. Standard IO. Include. Oh, this is a Y character. I don't need those. Oh, I see. Do I need these? Fget's unlocked. GNU source. So if I define include define GNU source, is that it? Yeah. No, it's still not there. Why? The non-standard unlock variables occur on few Unix systems that are available in recent glibc. They should probably not be used. Okay, but I want to use it anyway. So, okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the fgets. And we're going to be like, all right, this is fgets. If I could type. Right? And then, let's make this look a little pretty. Right? And then we can do the same thing. Right? To here. And then essentially we're going to say, we already closed the file pointer. Oops. So we'll need that again. So file pointer equals p open command in read mode bench. So we say timer. Actually, we could just do this, or we're gonna have to just do that actually. So we're gonna start another timer. Terminal output equals fget. Oh wait, I don't remember how this works. Oh, I was supposed to do that. Whatever, it's fine. It'll show both. Man fgetc. Here's that character from stream. And returns it as an unsigned character, int or end of file. Is end of file just defined? Like, interesting. So I could just say, we can construct this string by saying, firstly, let's reset memset output to 0 with the size of 1000, I think is how you do that. So while current, it's like this, and then current equals fgetc unlocked from the file stream fp, then we say output and we could just say I equals current right, and then that constructs our string. We forgot to p open it again. And then we want to start the timer. Right. And then we can say, all right, we got this. Actually, I need this whole thing. I think that should be it. Damn. Include string.h or, oh, include string.h. Empty character constant, okay. Oh, I'm missing one. Uh-oh. We are missing something. What are we missing? Why print output? What is current? It's -1. Does not equal -1. Oh, because that passes the while loop. This is slower. 5, 1. Yeah, that's not it. I think we might just instead. No, because why does that get so slow? Okay, Maybe I'm misunderstanding how popen works. Note that the output streams are block buffered by default. Function wait goes and returns the exit status. Return value from popen is a normal standard IO stream. In all respects, save close p close rather than f close. Writing to such a stream is the standard input of the command. Okay, let me make sure that if we do this and we time it, yeah, it's definitely it's definitely a lot faster than how I'm doing it. No, this is 23 milliseconds. User system. Right? I'm not bugging, right? Yeah, it's 23 milliseconds. Which, yeah. This is the time that I get. It's a command thing. It's not a, I can't make it any faster. All right. Oh, that sucks. So that means that I just have to call it the least amount as possible. Let's see if I can figure this out. I think this is the thing I was using before. All right. So we have think what should happen is like we have how many arrays do we have now? Source. All right, so we have the number of both. So we'll just have to map it the same and be like, okay, here is the, well, let's see track paths in this example. So we'll have an array of track paths, and then we'll have an array of untracked paths, and then with these we'll have their associated how do I like, so what we'll need to hold is their associated time edited, and then val last recorded, deletions and insertions, right? And then we'll have the same thing over here. Can I duplicate this? Yeah. Right. So we'll have that. And then we'll take into account that. All right, I'm back. So every single tick. So, how do I want to say this? So, every like tick, check folder updates, right? And then that links to these parts, which should be like this, right? And then this one, and then that tells us, all right, do we need to call the extremely slow process or not? Okay, but that means that we have to add extra stuff, which I don't want to do, but it is what it is. All right. So firstly, what I want to do then is figure out how I want to figure out when a folder has last been edited. So wait, get folder edit time.c or whatever. That was a terrible name, but int main void, we return 0, right? And then it's like, let me put this here, and then we can like man time. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Man get time of day. No. I did it in like a previous iteration of get stats. Get stats, and should be like it's definitely Because it was for the hash map. Yeah. And then it should be in lib source, untracked file, get time edited, term. So how do we create this thing? So we had a time struct, backslash length, and then so last edited. Wait, this is copy. Where's create? Create. So it should essentially be the same as that. Except we're not looking for a file, we're looking for a directory. So we can say struct, what was it called? TM edit time equals last edited. Okay, so what was get modified time? Okay, I see. Alright, so we need the path. Struct stats attributes stat. The path in this case would be slash projects slash get stats. Wait, no, not. Yeah, that's fine. Get stats. And then the address of attribute. And then we want to get struct local time attribute.stm time. Right. Wait, this is, need to include standard io.h and then include, I think it's time.h. Where's stat at? Stat. Sys slash stat.h. Bam. Alright, so we got the time of it being modified. So now to compare to, we would have to then do it again, yeah? How did I compare the two? So you convert that, and then you, again, get the time, and I use diff time. But can you do that for a not repository, why am I blanking? Current time, that's fine. Okay, cool. So let's GDB it, just so we can look at the structure. Run it. Break at, oh shoot. Gonna break at sure 8. Or yeah, let's forget 8. What do you mean no line 8? break at 8. Why can't I? Oh, I see. Okay, now I can break at 8. Alright, cool. So I want to print, wait, let's step. Let's delete. Yes, break at 9 or 10, whatever it is. Run. Yes. Wait, break at, no, break at, whatever. It's just silliness. Let's break at 9. Okay. Now I can print current time. Right, and that gives me, so it is day, hour. That's not right. Time zone is right. Seconds, minutes. Let me see what this is getting at. So, oops. So we're looking at get stats, and it said, no, the last edit should be 17. Man, stat maybe? No, that's not what I'm looking for. No. It's yeah, it is stat in the local time. I'm mainly just looking for the structure. Man struct TM. I don't think oh, I can. Okay. See time. TM sec should be is a variable, blah blah blah. Yeah, but this. Wait, no. Yes. Current time. Print current time. Oh my gosh, if I could type current time. Yeah, because this isn't right. The month is 11 for some reason. The day is the 31st. Hour is 19. Which, that isn't right either. It got the time zone right, but seconds off. Yeah, it definitely isn't right. But why isn't it right is the question. Stat. Maybe stat wasn't right? Can I do sys.stat? Nah. What am I missing? File modification time. Stats. Oh, I'm missing this. Creation time. I only care about the modification time. I didn't know I could just skip it though. So what is GM time? Man, GM time. Converts the calendar time P to a broken down station. Oh, interesting. Okay. Which means I can then skip this, quit, yes. Actually, I don't really need that anymore. Oh wait, yes I did. Oh, whatever. There goes the test, yeah. Right, so instead of local time, we could just do GM time. And then from stat, it would be, oh, I was doing it right. Except I was using local time instead, which GM time uses that. Oh, maybe I wasn't passing in the address of it. But this gives you DT, which also is a this, but just a flat struct, right? Oh no, it is right. Struct TMDT. Ah, I see. They dereferenced it. And then you just get that flat out. So now I just want to print this out. So GCC all with GDB 8 out, break at 10, run, print, I think it's current time, right? This is not right either, but it's because I need, nah, because that should work too. I think the stat is giving me something weird, or maybe I need to just use the full. So /home/b. Oops. Oh, GDB 8 out. Break at 10, run. Print current time. Okay. Yeah, this isn't right either. Just give me GMT time either. Plus 1900. TM year. Oh, there we go. No, the month isn't right either, bro. What is happening? Day, month, year. So TM mon should be the month, which is off. I wonder if it's because I'm doing it in GDB. Oops. Right, so let's just say print month gathered is, it should be integer, and then it'll be current time dot current time dot tm mon. There we go. which is not right, is the 8. This is weird, because, oops, it wasn't like that before. Okay. It isn't like that for the folder, right? Yeah, it's August. That's so odd. Oh, local time. Yeah, that's not right either. And local time. Make time. So we take in time pointer. Oh, wait. Yes, Firefox. Stats and page links. Maybe I'm using the wrong one. Stat, fstat, file, you use a file descriptor. Path name. Functions information about file pointed to by stat above. No permission required, but in the case of execute, require all the directories. Stat such. Retrieve information about the file pointed to by path names. Differences. Oh, lstat is stat except the path name is blog link. All of these. Yeah. Different fields. Generic interface. Can provide exactly the behavior of. If the path name given is relative, then it will be interpreted relative to the directory referred to by the file, rather than the relative to the current working directory of the calling process. Step by for relative path name. Path name is relative and dir fd special value. Then path name is interpreted relative to the current working directory. Empty path. Open at. On success, 0 is returned. On error, -1 is returned, and error no is set. So let's firstly start using this one because that seems better. Right? That's it. Oh, never mind. I don't feel like doing all of this. So we could do error no equals 0. Right? And then we can include error no.h, and then if error no, then printf %s string error of error. No. Wait, what failed? I'll figure that out later. Uncalled string error. It should be error no. Man string error. Ooh. That is in string.h, which I do not have here. That's so odd. I don't know why this is wrong. See, if path operate. Because it's reading it. It's just reading it wrong. I wonder if it was wrong this entire time. So you have attribute and all this, local time. I want to see attributes. Let me pull up this. Projects. vlib. Test. Get. Let's break at 14. Run. Alright, so I want to print attribute. tvsec. Oh, so it's just converting these. And then we, okay. Right, and then we print current time. And now it's right-ish. Yesterday, man. Yeah, it's just wrong. I don't know why it's wrong. Alright. We'll figure that out later because I need to start working on some homework.